That's enough.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. The red light's flashing.
Yeah. Get more photogenic from there.
You could sing.
Sing?
Fast times at Ridgemont.
Alright. I just think of this song.
You're the reason God made me.
Yeah, come on.
Come on, get up here.
I'm not afraid.
Get up here on my knee.
Have you guys seen
Do a
Kevin's
Dave Peterson
commercial?
invitation.
No, I haven't. Grandma said she did.
Very excited for it.
What'd you say?
I asked her if she saw Kevin's commercial.
I saw it.
I saw your movie on Channel 5. Twice Upon a Time.
It's not even out yet.
They were doing a special on. They were doing a
Oh.
story on special effects and stuff, and they
Really?
showed a bunch of scenes out of it. And they said it was filmed by these guys over in Berkeley or something like that, and it was put together or whatever. And they said that
You mean on the magazine?
no, Channel 5.
On the
News.
news.
Twice Upon a Time. It will be out Christmas time.
Fred Joy. And the little button.
For those of you who don't know us, this is Colin,
This is
Dave's
Kevin.
son.
Somebody's son.
This is Carrie, Dave's daughter, and his other son, Luke, is down here somewhere. This is the bar, the pool. You can't see the pool, she's not pointing the camera over there yet.
I don't think she's killing kids.
I have to take it off the tripod to do that.
Do what?
For some reason, we can't figure out how to make
Oh, I figured out how to do it.
How?
To do what? What do you gotta take it off the tripod?
You just you mean swivel it?
Yeah, I can get it to go up.
Go like this. I figured it out.
Fast times, Ridgemont.
Pan in real slow, bringing it out. Then you give it a little.
Wouldn't you just loosen that one so you can swirl it? That one's good though, because it loosens it both up and down and this way. It doesn't keep it level.
Which one?
You're
The one he's doing right here.
God made of love.
David, you're on.
You're me, God made of love. The monster! What did we could do a Japanese dub movie.
You want it?